Hey, this is Billy, and I will be showing you my Maxpedition EDC belt pouch. On the front, it has some Velcro and a large mesh pocket held together with some more Velcro. On the back, it has some MOLLE attachment straps. On the inside, it has some elastic bands here, a bigger one there, and some more right here. Starting on the left, I have a Leatherman kick, great multi-tool. Have a little flashlight for seeing inside the pouch at night. Have a little Swiss Army knife with knife and file and a pair of scissors and toothpick and some tweezers. I also have two G2 pilot pens, one red, one in the blue, a blue Sharpie for writing on things, a screwdriver flashlight combo which has a small flathead, a large flathead, a large Phillips head, and a small Phillips head, and as I mentioned, it also has a small flashlight built into it. Also have mechanical pencil. Also clipped to there, have a lighter. In the big pouch, the big main pouch here that goes all the way down to the bottom, have a weatherproof notebook with one paper clip. Starting on the right, I have a Camellias knife. Have a Ozark Trail 225 lumens flashlight. Have a CRKT eating tool. In the middle, I have 6 feet of orange paracord. I have a survival rescue blanket, great for keeping warm. I have a 50 feet of black paracord. In this zipper pocket here, I have some duct tape wrapped around a piece of cardboard. And I also have some blue paracord along with some black cordage.